and welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week, we'll highlight 5 new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week, we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is the CoolBoss CB19SL Portable Evaporative Air Cooler, which blows chilled air at a volume of 6,840 cubic feet per minute. Next is the TC002C Duo from Topdon. This tool measures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1,022 degrees Fahrenheit and is designed to work with all USB-C smartphones and tablets. Our third tool is the Cam Phaser Locking and Holding Kit for Chrysler from Lyle Corporation. This kit is designed to work on 2011 and newer Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep vehicles to lock cam phasers in place and release tension on the timing chain for service. Next tool is SonX Tools Foul Plug Premium Full Drawer Service Cart. This cart features an original design by artist Tony Squindo, as well as 6 lockable drawers and smooth glide ball bearing drawer slides. Finally, our last tool is the Quiet and Closed Reciprocating Air Compressor from Ingersoll Rand, which features a 2-stage cast iron pump and cast iron frame that are built to last. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. If any of these products piqued your interest, just give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletter and print issues by following the links below. See you next week.